Question: 2-point charges A and B having charges plus Q and minus Q respectively are placed at certain distance apart and force acting between them is F. If 25% charge of A is transferred to B, then force between the charges becomes. So ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ A and B. Okay, and charge on them is given as plus Q and minus Q, and corresponding force between them is given as F. Okay, and now 25% of charge A is transferred to charge B anta ide. Now what happens to the force between these two charges anta find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so here if we consider initially the charge on A, that is QA, is given to be equal to plus Q, and initial charge on B, let me take it as QB, is given to be equal to minus Q. Okay, and from Coulomb's law we know that force between 2-point charge is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of the given two charges ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So we can write F is proportional to Q1 into Q2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು, F is proportional to Q into Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ Q ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay, so next after transferring 25% of the charge, so ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, so the charge on A, let me take it as Q dash A, will be equal to Q minus 25% of Q, which is nothing but equal to Q by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, or this will give us QA dash will be equal to 3 by 4 Q ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, and 25% of charge A is given to charge B ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to add that to QB. So the new force on charge B, that is QB dash, will be equal to, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಬೈ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು minus 3 by 4 Q. Okay, so now the new force, if we take it as F dash, so ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, F dash will be proportional to QA dash into QB dash ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, or ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get F dash is proportional to 3 by 4 Q whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And now if we take the ratio of F dash by F, so let me just write here, so ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, F dash by F will be simply equal to 9 by 16 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, or F dash is equals to 9 by 16 F ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is option B is the correct answer.